Fear is a powerful motivator to do something and also a powerful motivator to not do something. And the something that is not being done because of fear is actually putting Donald Trump on trial for those 90 plus criminal indictments for what he has done over the last few years. The hearing on Fani Willis to determine if she would remain on the case was concluded. Judge Scott Cannon said, "You can remain on the case, get rid of your lead prosecutor, go forward." She did that. Then he came back and told the Trump team, "You can go ahead and appeal this to the Court of Appeals. You can appeal my decision and have it reviewed." Wow, I thought you made the decision. That's loading the boat out of fear. He delayed his decision to being released so he could beef up his security. It's not the prosecutors that are delaying. Fani Willis is ready to go, Alvin Bragg is ready to go, and Jack Smith is ready to go in the classified documents case. But constant delays from courts, judges, and what have you. January 6th happened in 2021, and Donald Trump is not sitting in a courtroom in a critical trial, in a criminal trial on any of those charges. So, what's really going on is the blame game. No single official or judge wants to be blamed as the one that let a trial go forward that results in a conviction of Trump before the election. So everything's being staged to push these criminal trials past election day. All the Supreme Court delays, all of the additional reviews. You have Judge Aileen Cannon down in Florida on the classified document case. She's just a delay machine in Trump's favor. If it wasn't for the fear, because Fani Willis is getting death threats, Alvin Bragg is getting death threats, Jack Smith is getting death threats, the prosecutors, they're ready to go. They're ready to put their neck on the line. But it's these other officials from the Supreme Court downward in the court systems that are dodging responsibility. They want to be able to put the finger on somebody else for letting justice move forward criminally for Donald Trump. And the people they want to put the finger on are the voters. They want the voters to vote him out of office. And then the Trump supporters have to look in the mirror and say, enough of us didn't show up. But that won't happen. What's going to happen when he loses is the same thing we heard before. It was a rigged system. It was a stolen election. And we could be looking at an even greater conflagration and backlash from Trump supporters like we saw on January 6, 2021. Just get ready for it. And if it happens, who do we put the finger on? All those judges and courts that delayed everything. That's who you put the finger of blame on.